was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave.
Lecture No. 02. Geographical Location of Pakistan. Subject, Pakistan Studies. B.S. Zoology. First semester. Lubna Mehboob. Librarian. Government Girls Degree College KTS, Haripur. Location and Geography of Pakistan. 1. Location and Geography of Pakistan. Contents. 1. Introduction. 2. Geographical Location. 3. Neighboring countries of Pakistan. 4. Geography of Pakistan. 5. Administration Division. 6. Topography. 7. Climate. 8. Major geographical regions. 9. Significance of geography. 10. Importance of Pakistan. 11. Physical features of Pakistan. 12. References. 1. Introduction. 1. Pakistan was created on August 14, 1947 by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. 2. The boundary of Pakistan was demarcated by Sir Cyril Radcliffe on August 17, 1947. 3. It was created on the basis of Islam and in order to protect the rights of Muslims. 4. Pakistan is gateway to Central Asia. 5. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. 6. Largest city of Pakistan is Karachi. 7. Neighboring countries are China, India, Afghanistan, and Iran. 2. Geographical location. Location of Pakistan. Location. Continent, Asia. Region, South Asia. Latitude, 24 N, 36 N. Longitude, 61 E, 75 E. Area, total area, 796,096 km sq. Area, ranked 36th water, 3.1% land, 96.9%. Coastline, 700 km. Highest point, K, 2, 8, 611 m. Lowest point, Arabian Sea, 0 m. Location and borders. Situated in South Asia. Pakistan is located in the northern region of South Asia. Bordered by India, China, Afghanistan, and Iran. Pakistan shares borders with multiple countries in the region. Coastline along the Arabian Sea. Pakistan has a coastline along the Arabian Sea to the south. 3. Neighboring countries of Pakistan. Following are the neighboring countries of Pakistan. 1. China. 2. Afghanistan. 3. India. 4. Iran. China. 1. Border, 600 km. 2. China is located in the north of Pakistan. 3. The name of the border is Punjab Pass. 4. Pakistan helped China to build a relation with the Muslim world. China. 1. Border, 600 km. 2. China is located in the north of Pakistan. 3. The name of the border is Punjab Pass. 4. Pakistan helped China to build a relation with the Muslim world. Relation of Pakistan and China. Pakistan and China relation began in 1950 as the first Muslim country to establish relation with China. Pakistan has multidimensional relation with Pakistan and Pakistan helped China to build a relation with the Muslim world. Support and security. Pakistan has always stood by China on all important issues. Pakistan has always backed up China on the issue of Tibet. Pakistan always discards Indian terrorism over some of the provinces of China. China is a nuclear power. Economic support. Pakistan and China is engaged in many important economic projects. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, is the most important project for the trading, and will give a big economic support for both Pakistan and China. 1. Afghanistan. I. Border, 2250. I.IT is located in the west of Pakistan. 3. The border of Pakistan and Afghanistan is named as Durand Line. 4. These two Asian states have deep historical and cultural links. Relation of Pakistan and Afghanistan. Pakistan and Afghanistan both are declared as the Islamic states and are the members of the South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation. Security and support. In the Afghan-Soviet War, 1979, Pakistan gave support to Afghanistan and gave shelter to the Afghan refugees. Nowadays, Pakistan is trying its best to make Afghanistan a peaceful land. Economic. The illegal trade under the cover of Afghan hurts the Pakistani business interests and cause losses in government revenue. India. 1. Border, 1,600 kilometers. I.IT is located in the east. 3. The name of the Pak-India border is named as Wagah border. 4. India and Pakistan are two immediate countries South Asia. India. 1. Border, 1,600 kilometers. I.IT is located in the east. 3. The name of the Pak-India border is named as Wagah border. 4. India and Pakistan are two immediate countries South Asia. Relation of Pakistan and India. Relation of India and Pakistan has remained turbulent, but critical to peace in the region. Import and export. Pakistan is importing around $10 billion goods from India. Pakistan is exporting many products to India such as petroleum oil, fabrics, fruits and vegetables etc. Security and wars. Both countries are nuclear power and have been involved in 4 wars, including one undeclared war. These wars were held in 1947, 1965, 1971 and 1999. Projects. There is an important project on which India and Pakistan is working on nowadays. This project is named as the Kartarpur Corridor and it is important for the Sikh community of India. Iran. 1. Border, 950 kilometers. 2. It is located in the southwest. 3. The name of the border of Iran, Pakistan is Taftan border. 4. Pakistan and Iran is in bilateral relationship. Relation of Pakistan and Iran. Iran is an important neighboring country of Pakistan due to its geostrategic position. Pakistan and Iran close relations are source of strength for both countries. Security and support. Pakistan received full military and diplomatic support from Iran against the war of 1971. Pakistan became neutral in the Iran-Iraq War. Economical support. Both countries are economic partners. Pak-Iran economical relations are governed by the Pakistan-Iran Joint Economic Commission, JEC. Strong business and trade ties with Iran is not only beneficial for Pakistan's economic situation, but also lead to greater stability and economic prosperity in the region. Geography of Pakistan. Pakistan is located in the region of South Asia, subcontinent. The geography of Pakistan is a profound blend of landscapes, plains, deserts, forests etc. There are 5 provinces of Pakistan: Punjab, Sindh, Baluchistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Gilgit-Baltistan. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. The weather extremes of Pakistan includes high and low temperatures etc., and have 4 seasons: spring, summer, winter, autumn. The length of the coastline of Pakistan is 1,046 kilometers with the Arabian Sea. 5. Administration division. Pakistan is divided into 5 provinces. 1. Punjab. 2. Baluchistan. 3. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. 4. Sindh. 5. Gilgit-Baltistan. Table of provinces. Name capital area. Gilgit-Baltistan Gilgit 72,971 square kilometers. KPK Peshawar 101,741 square kilometers. Punjab Lahore 205,344 square kilometers. Sindh Quetta 347,190 square kilometers. Balochistan Karachi 140,914 square kilometers. 6. Topography. 1. Diverse terrain. Pakistan features a diverse topography, including mountains, plateaus, and plains. 2. Mountainous regions. Northern Pakistan is dominated by the Karakoram, Himalayan, and Hindu Kush mountain ranges. 3. Coastal areas. The southern coastline of Pakistan borders the Arabian Sea. 7. Climate. 1. Diverse climatic zones. Pakistan's diverse geography results in varied climatic zones, from arid deserts to lush valleys. 2. Seasonal variations. Distinct seasons with hot summers and mild winters characterize much of Pakistan's climate. 3. Precipitation patterns. Rainfall patterns vary significantly across the country, with some regions experiencing monsoons. Table of climate. Winter November, March. Spring August October. Summer April July. Autumn October December. 8. Major geographical regions. Northern Highlands. 1. Rugged terrain. Mountainous landscape with high peaks and deep valleys. 2. Karakoram Range. Home to the second highest mountain in the world, K2. 3. Glaciers and snowfields. Extensive glaciers and permanent snow cover in the region. Indus River Basin. 1. Largest river basin. Covers a significant portion of Pakistan's landmass. 2. Diverse terrain. Includes mountains, plains, and deserts. 3. Vital for agriculture. Provides water resources for irrigation and farming. Balochistan Plateau. 1. Arid landscape. Characterized by dry, rugged terrain and sparse vegetation. 2. Mountain ranges. Includes the Sulayman and Makran mountain ranges. 3. Sparse population. Sparsely populated with nomadic communities and small settlements. 9. Significance of geography. Strategic importance. Geopolitical significance. Serves as a gateway between South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East. Coastal access. Provides access to the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean. Mountainous terrain. Offers natural barriers and strategic defense advantages. Economic opportunities. 1. Diverse terrain. Enables cultivation of various crops. 2. Coastal access. Facilitates maritime trade and tourism. 3. Mineral resources. Supports industrial development. Environmental challenges. Diverse terrain. Ranges from coastal areas to high mountains. Water scarcity. Uneven distribution and limited water resources. Climate variability. Extreme temperatures and unpredictable weather patterns. 10. Importance of Pakistan. Importance of Pakistan. Geographical location. Pakistan is located in the center of long chain of Muslim countries, therefore Abdus Salam Jawad, Vice President of Libya, he visited Pakistan and said that Pakistan is heart of Muslim world. Ideological state, Pakistan is an ideological state. Nuclear power. Pakistan is first and only Islamic nuclear power of the world. Location. It is located at the center of the Muslim countries, that is why it is called the heart of the Muslim world. Physical features of Pakistan. Physical features of Pakistan. Busy seaports. Important seaports are Gwadar and Bin Qasim. Pakistan is an important seaport on international trade routes. Land of hot water. Pakistan is blessed with hot water. Its rivers and seaports are busy throughout the year. Agriculturally rich land. It has 4 deltas. Delta makes the land of Pakistan more agricultural. Land of rivers. Pakistan have 5 rivers and many more small rivers. Rivers makes land more fertile. 12. Reference. Textbook of Pakistan Studies, National Book Foundation. By Professor Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. Wikipedia website of Quora. Lecture No. 02. Geographical Location of Pakistan. Thank you. Lubna Mehboob. Librarian. Government Girls Degree College KTS, Haripur. October 1, 2025. Subject, Pakistan Studies. BS Zoology. First semester.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine.